I'm going to be telling you 10 things you need to know before buying Kajabi. The first thing to know is that this is a all-in-one solution. If we go to the product section here, you'll see that this is a all-in-one solution. There's things like online courses, coaching, podcasts, memberships, communities, newsletters, digital downloads, a lot. So this is a something that's very all-in-one. The next thing is that they've recently updated their pricing plans. So if we take a look at their pricing plans here, let's see for a second here. Now you can see this is their updated pricing plans, right? So the Kickstarter is around $71 per month. The basic one is $200. The growth version is $160. And the Pro is around $320. The next thing you should know is that Kajabi does not charge you resources fees, right? So what you earn from selling or what you earn learning from this, you will not be charged, right? So all of your profits that you get from selling from your own things are completely yours and they will not charge you anything. The next one is some robust creation tools. Again, if we go to products, you can see these are robust tools, right? You can find, if you want to launch a podcast, you can find it here. If you want to enjoy unlimited downloads with endless payouts, you can go here. No code web filter, that's here as well. So if, for example, if I click on this, there is a no code web filter here. This is pretty robust. It's something that I think all of creators need, all of businesses needs, and you already have a powerful and fully integrated website builder if you subscribe to Kajabi. The next thing is that there's advanced marketing features as well. If I go to products, you can see there is email marketing right here, right? So you can draft and send marketing emails worth opening. Again, going back to my first point is that this is a all-in-one product, right? You're gonna get everything you need as a creator if you subscribe to this, right? So there's a world-class marketing software right here if you subscribe to Kajabi. There is also integrated community building, right? Now, what I mean by that is that if you subscribe to this, you will get a forum that's open for only Kajabi subscribers. And by that, you can get a community or a forum. See, you can see here communities. You can see this is your own audience with communities and create spaces where the members can meet, connect, and grow with you. So you literally get your own community to go along with it. The next thing is that Kajabi is also well known for its responsive customer support, right? So if you have any troubles, if you have any issues with the product, you can of course contact customer support and they'll be very, very responsive in helping you solve your problems, whatever it is with Kajabi. The ninth thing I want to bring your attention to is that it has regular feature updates, right? So all of these products, all of these resources, everything will be updated regularly as long as you stay subscribed. The last thing and the most final thing I want to bring your attention to is back to the pricing, right? Because the pricing is not cheap. $159 per month is a lot of money, right? So, but you do need to remember that with $159 per month, you get a website, you get a product, you have 25,000 contacts, unlimited marketing emails, unlimited landing pages, group onboarding call, Kajabi AI, Creator Studio, third-party integration, 24/7 support, affiliate program, custom domain, custom branding, multiple admins, user, and webhooks. So you literally get everything, but of course, it's a pretty hefty price per month. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.